Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Try to Studio. In this video, I am going to review MarQ 0.8 ton 3-star inverter AC. This is a 2020 model and it has ISR value of 3.80, and this was the packaging, and Flipkart delivered this product within 1 day, and after delivery the installation request was sent to Zevis, who is a third-party service provider, as Flipkart does not have their own service provider. So let's get started.
Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
This is our indoor unit. Its size is a bit smaller than the usual 1 ton or 1.5 ton indoor unit, and its weight is about 8 kg. And it comes with pre-installed electrical wire. The wire length is about 3 feet, so you don't have to purchase electrical wire separately. All you have to purchase, the 3-pin top to connect that plug in the socket. And we have another 3-meter long black wire to connect the indoor unit with the outdoor unit. And this is our outdoor unit. You can see the ISL logo here. Its build quality is quite good. I would not say that excellent. You have to remember that this is a budget segment AC, but it looks really stylish and elegant. Another thing that I liked about this outdoor unit is that the back cooling fins are protected with a plastic mesh. Also, you will get white cement and a 5 feet drainage pipe within the box, and these copper pipes are of 3 meter long, and it already has insulations. During installation, only thing that you have to purchase are the outdoor stand if you want to hang your AC on the outdoor walls. But if you want to put your AC on a flat surface like on top of your roof, in that case MarQ has provided 4 rubberized cushion pads for the AC, and with the help of these cushion pads, AC won't vibrate when you put it on a flat surface. So if you have free roof space available, in that case you can avoid purchasing the outdoor stands. I opt for the outdoor stands and its price was 750 rupees with installation. I have purchased those outdoor stands from the installation service provider. Talking about the installation team were polite and humble, but they had no idea that what's inside the box is available. That they already asked me to purchase white cement, but the white cement was available within the box. Also, they suggested me to purchase angle bracket for the outdoor units and drainage pipe, because the drainage pipe that came within the box is not of great quality. So I purchased angle bracket and drainage pipe from them. But if I had known earlier that there are some rubberized cushion for the outdoor units to set the outdoor unit on top of the roof, in that case I wouldn't opt for the outdoor unit stands. But yes, I do agree that the drainage pipe quality is not that good, and that's why I would suggest you to separately purchase good quality 5 feet or 10 feet drainage pipe. After installation, I have turned on the AC, and trust me, both the indoor and outdoor units are extremely silent. Cooling starts slowly, but I can feel the real coolness within 10 minutes in my 100 square feet room. Before purchasing this MarQ product, I had too many questions in my mind, that is it trusted or will it work properly? But after using it for 2 days, I am really satisfied with its performance. Here you can see its ISR rating is 3.80, which is pretty good for household usage. Also, this AC can be operated without any stabilizer. It can handle voltage fluctuation from 165 volt to 265 volts. Only disadvantage is the remote does not have backlight, and the remote is pretty long as compared to other ACs, but the remote has eco mode, turbo mode, display on off mode and sleep mode. Overall, I would say this is a very good deal at this price point. If the requirement is to use it in summer seasons for household uses, then go for it. But if the requirement is to use it heavily for the year long, then I would say you should go for branded AC like LG, Daikin, Panasonic, Voltas, etc. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions or doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll try my best to reply you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.